In less than 20 minutes, I will prepare some fast, tasty, and irresistible tacos. Let's start. In a hot pan, drizzle in some oil. Add the sausage. I already removed the casing, and then smash it up directly in the pan. Season it with a touch of smoked paprika, which in my opinion is perfect for sausage. Then let it brown. In addition to the smoky touch, we need a little spice. I removed almost all the seeds from this chili pepper. You decide whether to keep them or remove them all. With the temperature up high, deglaze with red wine. The smell of alcohol has evaporated, so let's add the tomato paste and black pepper. Give that a thorough mix, and then let it cook for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's take care of the salad, which will go perfectly with our sausage. To start, take some Datterino tomatoes and chop them up finely. Then add some fresh scallion. Cut it lengthwise, and then into thin slices. Add it to the bowl, along with our tomatoes. The recipe asks for fresh cilantro, but not everyone is a fan, so fresh chopped parsley will do just fine. Season with a pinch of salt and the juice of half a lime. Give it a little massage. Mix that together really well. Thus, our little salad is ready. Only the fresh, beautiful sauce is missing. In a bowl, combine the Greek yogurt with the sour cream and the zest of half a lime. Give it another mix and everything's ready. We can fill the tacos. The shape of the taco shells does make them decently awkward to stuff. So we created this structure for filling them using an oven rack. I am sure somewhere out there are also super comfortable taco holders you can buy. How will we fill them? First, layer in the sausage. On the bottom, then, a layer of our cherry tomato and spring onion salad. We'll freshen that up with our sauce and top it off with another grating of lime zest. Our tacos are ready. We were super fast, and let's see if we did well. We have to try one, of course. And to eat tacos, you have to tilt your head. They're perfect. Delicious. Try making them.
Ciao.